Pre-ignition essentials. Before turning on your vehicle, have the student adjust the following pre-ignition essentials. Adjust seat position. When adjusting the driver's seat, you should be able to reach the pedals comfortably without straining your foot. Your knees should be slightly bent when the pedals are fully depressed. To test your seat position, press the pedals fully. Remember, the ignition is off. If your knees straighten out, you're too far back, and if they're bent close to 90 degrees, you're too close. Adjust the steering wheel position. The top of the steering wheel should be positioned at a height aligned between the driver's shoulders and chin, neck height. Be sure the steering wheel does not block the view of the speedometer. If so, slightly lower the steering wheel. It should be at least 10 inches away from your chest. Any closer increases the risk of injury if the airbag deploys in a crash. Adjust mirrors. From the driver's seat, adjust the rearview mirror so you can see the entire rear window without having to move your head. To adjust the driver's side mirror, lean slightly to the left and adjust it so you can see the lane next to you, with only a small portion of the back of your vehicle visible. For the passenger side mirror, lean slightly to the right and adjust it so that you can see the surroundings or lane to the right of you and only a small portion of your vehicle. Seatbelts. Put on your seatbelt and ensure all passengers have their seatbelts on. Seatbelts must lay comfortably across your chest. Do not tuck the chest restraint behind you. Now you're ready. Place your foot on the brake and start your engine.